lovely people! Welcome to another brand new video. I'm gonna be doing this makeup look. It's another graphic liner makeup tutorial. So this is in the tones of orange, maroon and red. So I created this kind of a tiny wing in here and a cut crease. So if you want to know how I created this makeup look, then keep on watching. Hey you guys, to start with the graphic makeup tutorial, let's put some lip gloss to moisten my lips. This is from CATRICE Cosmetics. Now I'm priming my eye using CATRICE Cosmetics concealer. For my eyeshadow, I'm using Morphe X James Charles, the mini palette. I'm applying white eyeshadow for my base. For my transition shade, I'm picking up the orange. And I'm blending it with the dark pink. To create the line, I'm using a 𝓁𝒾𝓋𝑒 Cosmetics precision brush and picking up the dark brown. I'm just following the shape of my crease for the line. To cut the crease, I'm using the CATRICE Cosmetics concealer. I'm cutting the crease just underneath the brown line and topping it off with white eyeshadow. For my lid, I'm applying peachy shimmer. And I have here the CATRICE Cosmetics liquid liner to create a graphic line on my eyelid. For my lower lash line, I'm using same shades as my crease. I'm applying white liner for my tear line. And I'm done with my eye makeup with lashes on, and let's finish the rest of the base makeup. To bronze my face, I'm using CATRICE Cosmetics bronzer. For my blush, I'm using TART Cosmetics. And for my highlighter, I'm using from Wet n Wild. For my lipstick, I'm using nude shade from Slip and topping it with lip gloss. Alright you guys, hope you enjoy watching this video. And this is perfect for an evening makeup, like a party makeup. I am really fascinated of graphic liner and I am really happy with the outcome of it. It's a bit tricky to make, but then I pull it out. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you in my next one. Bye!